Now, the last time you and I were together, hot topics were tort reform and Prop 12. Now, we know that Prop 12 passed narrowly, but re-educate us, remind us what all that was about.
Well, Proposition 12 was meant to place caps on medical malpractice claims and cap out at $250,000 the award for medical malpractice claims. What people aren't aware of, however, is in that language it also said, and all others, which means all other claims as well. So right now, right this minute, the legislature and the politicians are working on a way to cap and limit those all other claims.
So those other claims could include, let's say I was injured in an auto accident.
Exactly. That's exactly what they're up to. They're going to cap those claims, whether it's an auto accident, a wrongful death claim, or any other type of injury, devastating claim, at $250,000, which strikes me as odd because, you know, we've been asked to pay $15 million per head for the capture of Saddam Hussein's sons over in Iraq. And meanwhile, back here at home, our children's lives, our sons' lives, are worth $250,000. And the taxpayer's paying that bill.
But the taxpayers also voted on Prop 12 and narrowly passed it. So were we uneducated, misinformed?
Absolutely. Absolutely. I don't think enough was done to explain to people the devastation that would be brought on them by passing this Proposition 12. People just weren't aware of what this was all about. And most of the advertising and most of the campaigning was all on behalf of passing Prop 12. And the problem is it's passed, and insurance rates have still gone up. The promise was that if you'll cap medical malpractice claims, insurance rates will go down. Well, they've gone up 117% just since it passed a few months ago. And they tried this in California. They passed their version of Proposition 12, and insurance rates have gone up 300% in California. So they've broken their promise. The Constitution says that everyone with a claim over $20 is guaranteed a right to trial and a jury award. They've taken away that tradition. A 250, 60-year-old constitutional tradition of juries have been taken away from us. What else are they going to take?
You can still go to trial, but now this law is, as far as medical malpractice is concerned, is controlling what a jury can do.
It limits the jury's ability to do this. Now, that wasn't necessary to do it. It was not necessary to do that. The judge could have limited the award with a remititure. The case could have been appealed and the amount lowered. But they wanted to make sure that they could continue to file for premiums and collect premiums and still not have to pay out awards. And they limited the awards. So the bottom line is awards are down, claims are down, rates are up. They broke their promise. And I don't think people should let them break that promise on all other claims as well. And I don't think they should blame lawyers for all the problems anymore. Enough.